is up, Royalty Gang? It's Madison in the cut.
And it's Nika.
And we're back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a prank on my grandma. And it's going to be the
the irritating sound.
It's called Very Pitch Sound 1 hour.
If y'all trying to look it up, but the name of the prank will be Very Irritating Sound Prank.
And yeah, I'm going to be doing that on my grandma. So let's get straight to the video.
It is prank time.
Tonight at 11, how local schools are setting creative to meet the new requirement and the impact this single change could have in our state. See why this may be the most important class these students ever take.
We should have that at school.
The target control doesn't stand a chance, and neither will you.
How many pieces did you pull out?
Offer you a settlement. They
Put
won't
the rest of this, put that up. You can't leave me sitting out.
become one of America's best trial lawyers by accident.
What? Who keeps pulling this shit out? I'm not washing that shit. What?
Vlogging.
You're what?
Vlogging. For my YouTube, I'm vlogging. Like, I'm making a cookie.
Overall health by addressing your dental health the Clear Choice way.
My cardiologist said, I don't want you to come back to me until you start getting something done about those teeth. That is the foundation of good heart health. We're amazing transformations. It is not just a smile, which is huge. Changes their person, total outlook, function is better, chewing. If you can chew your food, you're going to be able to chew better food.
Most patients don't realize that their dental challenges can lead to serious health challenges. At Clear Choice, we understand that your dental health impacts your total health.
Feeling good and knowing that you're doing the best for your
Sitting, you can't leave this meat sitting out.
for your own personal health. That
Put it all in there.
Baby.
Not just to your dental procedure.
You know what? Stay here and watch TV.
Call today to schedule a free consultation.
Sitting, put all that big.
You want some?
No, I don't.
Wait, there's something I need to tell you. See zero in a whole new way. A zero down, zero deposit, 0 first month payment, 0 good signing on select Volkswagen models.
You might. It's too hot. You don't have to fire it. You got it on medium, not real low.
Yeah, I got it.
One of America's best trial lawyers by accident.
Yeah.
Finally, first of all, little Rufus the Big Boy has a Christmas memory we'll really never forget as he arrested the Grinch.
wow, it all started when
Have you saw Sister
Like
Queen?
that boy arrested Grinch.
Walked in the grocery store Christmas and walked in and dialed 911 because he was worried that the Grinch might steal his presents.
The Cairo, Mississippi Police Department did much more than just answer his call. They found a Grinch stand-in and then let Thailand help them arrest him, get him off the streets this Christmas. You know, Thailand says he's ready to join the force as he grows up. That would be kind of a fun call to make.
5 years old.
I know.
Still right in the
Oh, I know. Thanks so much for joining us for First at 4. We will be back for half hour. The normal mornings at 5.
Yeah, both of them. Thank you so much.
Closed caption for this program is brought to you by the San Bernardino Law Firm. Died, Victoria, James, and 135. $275. And later, his head goes around, hurts his third metatarsal bone. That's the diagnosis.
S.C. Johnson. Most people look like most people. But on the inside, I feel chronic, widespread pain. Fibromyalgia may be invisible to others, but my pain is...
What is that?
Fibromyalgia
Noise.
caused by overactive nerves. Lyrica to calm these nerves. I'm glad my doctor prescribed Lyrica. For some,
What is it?
severe fibromyalgia.
Where was that noise coming from?
It's really nice and ugly.
Unusual changes in mood or behavior, swelling, trouble breathing, rash, hives.
Look,
It's a prank.
I'm not in a
We got
motherfucking
you. It's a
playing
prank.
mood.
It's a prank.
Okay, I'm not in a playing mood.
Swelling of hands like sticky.
Prank time.
I'm not in a playing mood. Make me think something wrong with my house.
It's a prank.
How you feel?
Look, I'm all right. Look, leave me alone right now, okay? Leave me alone.
What's wrong?
I just told y'all.
But yeah. Keep that air. Look at
I told y'all I want to lay down and relax.
Yo, we got her pretty good, so. Yeah. We're gonna be coming back with some more pranks on her.
So, Grandma.
How you feel right now?
L. Took
I'm
it
gonna
L.
put y'all out of here in a minute.
She took that L. Yeah, that was a good prank. She mad because she took an L.
Master, you wanna do a challenge?
Ooh.
Huh?
Ooh. Ah, these haters that I'm about to shake them off. But yeah, anyway, she took an L. We took a dub. Put Royalty Gang down below. And hit us up with some more things that y'all want us to do. Challenges, DIYs, pranks, etc.
I'm about to do a challenge,
So yeah, stay tuned for that. And remember, like this right now. Like it.
like, share, subscribe.
Like,
we
right
have
now.
all our social media
Right now.
down in the description.
Right now. Literally. We're coming to your house. But
I'm
anyway,
gonna tell your mom, I'm gonna tell your grandma, I'm gonna tell your daddy, I'm gonna tell your auntie.
But yeah, go like, share, subscribe. That's a tongue twister. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Period.
From